Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. So today I have JBL Pulse 4 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. Nice packing, huh? It comes in two colors, white and black. So wow, nice packing. Day to listen, huh? Nice. So nice. Look the colors, huh? You guys can change colors whenever you want with the use of the app. So JBL Connect app. Nice, huh? So nice. So the price of this JBL Pulse right now, it's on Amazon around like $249, I think. Yeah, $249. So it's time to unbox it and let's see what's inside, man. What's inside? So this is 360-degree, sound Bluetooth speaker with LED lights, powerful sound and deep bass, IPX7 waterproof and dustproof. The battery life is 12 hours. 12 hours of playtime. Okay, let's unbox it. Wow, nice, and for safety, huh? Nice. So that's the speaker, JBL Pulse 4. Nice. So this is the latest JBL Pulse 4. This is the latest one in JBL Pulse series, Pulse 4. Wow. Look at this, man. Nice, huh? So nice finishing. So what else in the box? Let's see what else in the box. Okay, so we got some stuff like safety sheet, user manual, you know, warranty card, this kind of stuff, and USB charging type C cable right here. Nice, huh? So look good, huh? So this is volume up and volume down, play and pause button. Wow, JBL logo with speaker. Nice. Nice. Look the finishing. What a glass. Looks like a glass. Nice. So nice. So this is power on off button and Bluetooth pairing button. Charging connection. This is LED indicator to show the remaining battery. Wow, so nice. So this is a light button. You guys can turn on and turn off the light. So this is party boost. Like you guys can connect 100 plus JBL, party boost enabled Bluetooth speakers together. Nice plastic, huh? Looks like glass. Looks like glass. So fine. So good. It looks good. Really, it looks so good. Looks so good with JBL logo, on the front. Nice. So nice. 360-degree sound and light show. Let me turn on the Bluetooth speaker. Wow. Oh, look the lights. Looks so good, man. So good. So good. Wow. So beautiful. Looks so beautiful. So this is also called the night party Bluetooth speaker. Night party, pool party, beach party. The lights, so amazing lights. The lights sync with the music. With the music. Wow, look, so good, so fine, huh? So the plastic on the top, the glass. Oh, this is passive radiator for deep bass. Nice. The passive radiator, the bottom for deep bass. Nice. Nice Bluetooth speaker from JBL. So it's time to listen the music and check the performance of this JBL Pulse 4 Bluetooth speaker. Like we are going to listen like 3 or 4 songs to check the proper performance of this Bluetooth speaker. Let's go.
Hey, I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice. you. I've been thinking about you, and I've been thinking about our love, and how much I miss you. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day. I hope and I wish that you're doing okay. I want to go back to the old days, because I miss you, and I just thought of you.
Wow, what a 360-degree light show and sound. Wow, I can't say. I can't explain. You need to buy this JBL Pulse 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. Wow, so nice. So beautiful. So there is a button you see in the video. Whenever I press it, the light changes. Look. Wow. Look. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's so nice. So nice. And when you download the JBL Connect app, so there are more options for the light. There are more options. You can choose hundreds of lights, like, hundreds. So this is must have speaker, JBL Pulse 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. I like it. IPX7 waterproof, 12 hours of playtime, party boost, battery charge time at 3.5 hours. So nice speaker. The best thing is 360-degree light show and sound. Wow, looks so beautiful. Look, what a finishing. Look, what a glass. Wow, so nice. So nice. So beautiful. So beautiful. It's a party Bluetooth speaker. You can say it's a party Bluetooth speaker. Wow, so nice. JBL Pulse 4 Bluetooth speaker. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.